everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on train journey. Train journeys are when you travel on a train from one place to another. The train makes a rhythmic sound as it moves on the tracks. You can look out the window and see different things like cities, fields, and trees. Inside the train, there are other people who are also going to different places. Some people talk and laugh during the journey, making it a lively experience. Vendors on the train sell snacks and drinks to passengers. The train stops at stations along the way for a short time. It's a mix of feeling relaxed and excited as the train moves forward. Sometimes you can see interesting things outside like rivers or mountains. A train journey is not just about reaching a destination, it's an adventure with new sights and sounds. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.